Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace lawnmower blades on this particular lawnmower. Now the principles in this video will apply to most lawnmowers. Now this particular lawnmower is a VICTA and it's powered by a Briggs Stratton 158cc engine. Now the cutting diameter is 18 inches. Now this particular lawnmower is over 9 years old and it's never had its cutting blades replaced. Now for the replacement blades I'll be using these GA power equipment spares, and there's 2 in each packet for a total of 4, which is what we need for this lawnmower. Now these suit the VICTA 18-inch cutting diameter, which is what we have here, and the other benefit is they're also Australian made. Now I picked up these 2 pairs for $22 delivered. Now before we start, we're going to disconnect the spark plug like that, so we don't accidentally start the engine as we're replacing those blades. Another tip is to make sure that the fuel tank is empty. Now we'll be tipping the lawnmower on its left hand side to give us easy access to the cutting blades. Now regarding tooling, to remove the factory blades, we're going to be using a 14mm ring spanner, so that'll go on the inside to undo the nuts. And as another tip, we're going to be using a breaker bar with also a 14mm socket, which we'll put over here, like that. So then as we try and loosen, that'll help hold this flywheel mechanism in place. Another tip is to open the flap, giving us good access for tooling to get to the blades to undo them from the inside there. So before we start removing the blades, just note the cutting edge and also the angle. So we've gotten to a point here where we're undoing the nut on the inside and it's just spinning on the outside like this. So unlike our new blade set, which has the fastener with an Allen's key socket there, the original ones don't. So we're going to have to find a way to grip it and undo that nut. Now what I do recommend is we fit one of them, make sure it all works and fits up okay, and as well we know the orientation so we don't lose our orientation. Alright, so the way this will fit up is our plastic washer goes on the outside, the screw sits inside like that, then that gets bolted to the flywheel, and we put our washer and then our locking nut. So now that we've got our first one fitted and it all fits up really nice, we're going to continue doing the other 3. So now we've done 2 blades and I'm just doing a quick check that yes, everything seems to fit up and clear up perfectly. Alright, so let's do the last two. So here's just a side-by-side comparison of the old and the new. So almost identical in every way. You can see that the old is quite worn out. The new's got a nice sharp cutting profile there. But in terms of size, dimensions, everything is similar. The only difference is with the new, you have that Allen's key cutout, which makes fitting a lot easier. So now that all four blades have been replaced, we're going to level off the lawnmower. Now, one of the consequences of obviously lifting the lawnmower on its side and rotating that flywheel underneath is we now have oil dripping all around our lawnmower and also on the exhaust side, all around here. So I'm just going to give it all a bit of a wipe down. In hindsight, I probably should have elevated the lawnmower up higher and gone from underneath, but this was a bit of an easier way of doing things. Now there's consequences, so I'm going to clean all this up. I'll have to recheck the oil fill and make sure that we've got the right level as well. So you can see that the oil has actually penetrated right through the air cleaner. It's even in the carburetor. So I have a big cleanup job before we get this engine back up and running. So there you have it. That's how we replace the lawnmower blades on this particular lawnmower. Now in hindsight, we could have done things a little bit different by elevating the lawnmower instead of tipping it on its side and avoiding a big oily mess that we had to then clean up. Regardless, I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.